Hi, I'm Adam Butcher. I'm CEO and Director of Seaflora Skincare. We're here in Souk at the Seaflora Manufacturing Center. We're proud to be one of the few skincare lines out there that manufactures our products ourselves, straight from the raw ingredients of wild hand-harvested organic seaweeds, ocean mud. So we have our production floor here. This is where all of the raw ingredients come together into the formulations. From our production floor here, the formulas are then transferred over into our packing, labeling, bottling areas. And then once they are bottled and labeled and packaged, then the products are transferred onto the inventory shelves. And from there, they are able to be picked and packed and then out for shipping. Seaflora works with organic seaweed that we hand harvest ourselves. We are one of the largest certified harvesting companies in British Columbia. We harvest three main types of seaweeds. Those are the reds, the greens, and the browns for their vitamins, their healing and detoxification properties, as well as unique kelp bioactives that are simply not present in land plants. And one of those ones that we're most excited about was the development of a brightener that was took 2 years of research with the Canadian National Research Council, which is the department of our federal government, and working with their scientists at the natural health laboratories across the country, we were able to isolate a unique kelp bioactive that inhibits the tyrosinase enzyme and the production of melanin faster and at lower concentrations than kojic acid and arbutin. And so we took that science, that third-party testing, that scientific discovery, and we combined it to create a beautiful new product called Sea Bright Moisturizer.
Hi, my name is Chantel, and I am the Sales and Marketing Manager at Seaflora Skincare. This is the product Sea Bright Moisturizer, made with unique kelp bioactives. And yes, this was a scientific discovery in seaweed and what it's capable of, not just protein modulation and collagen promotion, but also the suppression of the enzyme tyrosinase. It's been proven with the National Research Council of Canada to reduce melanin by up to 71%. So I used to have some very dark spots here, and kind of like a half mustache, which are all gone. As you can see, my skin is pretty even in tone. There are some slight spots still left, but I haven't used any harsh chemicals. I haven't done any microdermabrasion, no chemical peels, nothing like that. All I have used is Sea Bright Moisturizing Brightener. And I think this is the only skincare manufacturing facility in the world that is designated as a bakery. Even this product, which you would think may have poison in it, does not. There is nothing harsh in this. You could actually eat this whole product without fear of harm. To have an organic, brightening skincare product that actually works very effectively and is so non-toxic is unheard of. It's wonderful to be able to promote this and show other people who may be scared of putting anything nasty or maybe in the, I'm not sure if I want to use that category, they can safely choose this product, see the results in just 14 days, and see the full effect of this amazing product in just 30 days. So if you're looking for something that's amazing, active, and all natural, this is your go-to.